From Wild Science comes the Mars Landing Survival Kit. Let science and imagination fly you to Mars and build a living Mars colony with its own laboratory. First, we add hydrogel crystals to Mars sand. Then we start up the colony's waste digester. Add the hydroponic filter wick. Add the nutrient tank and the hydroponic sand. Plant our very first seeds from Earth. Now, fill the nutrient tank with yuck. Seal it all up. And now we wait. As the gardens grow, we recycle the nutrients and you can eat the plants. Wow, what is that dripping from the roof? Let's take a sample. Do the tests and yes, pure water from wastewater. And then test the atmosphere. Wow, your biodome has purified the atmosphere. Try cloning plants, testing for UV radiation and so much more. The Mars Landing Survival Kit. And remember, there's only one Wild Science.